Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bank of America customized cash rewards, full guide step by step clearly. To log into your Bank of America customized cash rewards account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.bankofamerica.com and hit enter. Once the Bank of America homepage loads, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be directed to the Sign In page. Here, enter your online ID in the first field. After entering your online ID, move to the next field and type in your passcode. Ensure that you double-check both entries for accuracy. If you are using a personal device, you may choose to check the Remember My ID box. This option will save your online ID for future visits. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. You may be prompted to verify your identity with a security image or phrase, if you have set one up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will be logged into your Bank of America account. Explore your account dashboard to access your customized cash rewards features. If you encounter issues during login, consider using the Forgot Your ID or Passcode link. This will guide you through the recovery process. Follow the steps provided to regain access to your account. For added security, always log out of your account after use, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.